Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Ibheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo sikuthembisa online lapho ke sikhona kanti ke sikubingelela ke sisakaza bukhoma kulolu suku lwanamhlanje sihambisana ke nawo ke umnyango the Department of Economic Development ukhumbuleke ukuthi la sikhona sakaza bukhoma sendaweni yase Spruit View lana ke enumber 512 Siluma Street noma Siluma Drive lapho ke kuzobe kuhlangene khona ke awo somabhizinisi abasafufusa kanti ke umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa ke kwezeminotho esifundazweni saseGauteng uyaqinisekisa ukuthi ke ubanikeza ithuba bezokwazi ukukhangisa ikakhulukazi ke ngezinto abazidayisayo angihambi ngedwa ke nami ukhona ke uKevin ukhona ke umnumzane uHlatshwayo ukhona ubanele uBrazo Sondlo usihle wakwangwini sibonga kakhulu ke nakuye ke uJane Nkosi lapha ke eduze kwami esikhathini esingenganani ukusuka manje we'll be talking to umhlonishwa ke ubanike na umnumzane ke uNkosi ozokwazi ukuthi ke asichazele kabanzi njengalokho ke eyisikhulu ke esiphezulu lapha ke kuona ke umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa kwezeminotho kuningi ke okwenzakalayo nawe la ukhona asihambi sodwa nathi ithembisa online ikhona ke iKasi FM ukuthi ke ulalele iKasi FM ngiyazi ukuthi ke ku 97.1 nakhona ke uyakwazi ukuthi ke uthole okwenzeka kulolu suku lwanamhlanje uhulumeni wesifundazwe saseGauteng njengamanje ngizokwazi ukukhulumisana nomnumzane uNkosi good morning Mr Nkosi
Baba kunjani
siyaphila kunjani
hayi ngiyaphila baba
number 1 siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ke ni umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa kwezeminotho nisibize nathi ngoba nathi siseyibhizinisi eliselokishini
yebo kunjalo
sibona neKasi FM kumnandi kuba la please kindly introduce yourself usichazele nakubantu ababukayo entire kuRuleni nakuthembisa online
okay igama ubongani Nkosi I am from the Department of Economic Development Gauteng Province unit yami is called Strategic Partnerships Special Projects and International Relations I am the director responsible for that portfolio. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. You have been contributing and making sure ukuthi you give platform and you expose SMMEs as a Department of Economic Development. Before we talk about this event, please kindly take us kuleyo initiative.
So, yeah, so basically our focus in terms of our unit, we are a unit that really works with private sector.
Yes.
You know? And I think the reason why the unit was formulated was really to speak to the element of saying that, you know, e-government can't be the only entity that is trying to support our SMMEs.
Yes.
So our mandate is really to focus on private sector, look at private sector, look at opportunities that private sector has, you know, and how then we create linkages between the township economy and the private sector.
Yes.
And I think that's why we are here today, because as you can see that there's quite a lot of well-known brands, if I could say, like the likes of Standard Bank, Shimba Group, Hollywood Foundation.
Yes.
So we are bringing private sector to the communities, but also looking at what opportunities are they bringing on board in terms of our SMMEs. This is just a tiny bit of what we do, but there's a plethora of partners that we have and we are working with in trying to revitalize, modernize and transform the township economy.
Wow. Tell us about this market day. I can see you are trying to make sure that you accommodate everybody. There's private sector and also there's township businesses. Tell us about today's day. Njengoba nithi ke it's a SMMEs market day. It's business market day.
Yes. So I think the vision came about, so we've got quite a number of partners in the e-commerce space, you know, like the Takealot, Macro Online,
Yes.
where we are trying to channel our SMMEs way into those platforms, you know. But I think the one question I ask myself is, you know, as we are trying to open up access to market and access to opportunities for these SMMEs, do our communities actually know what our SMMEs are manufacturing?
Yeah.
And what, I mean, we are, every single week, we meet new SMEs that are manufacturing amazing products. It's not just detergents that what others will say, but 99% ama SMMEs benza ama detergents. No, but there's quite a variety, a big variety of products that are being manufactured by township economy.
Yes.
But the thing is for us was to say, let's bring this to the community. We want the community to come and support our own.
Yes.
That's what we are talking about when we speak about localization. How do we walk the journey with these SMMEs, take them to respective communities, and make sure that they are able to make a profit from their businesses? But also we are trying to create jobs for the respective community as well. That's why you find that we've got our community members, community SMMEs that are from this place. So this is the first time that we are doing this. So
Wow.
a lot is actually
Wow.
riding on this.
Oh,
So
yes.
if we are able to get it right, then we are able to replicate this model to other townships.
Wow. And obviously one will ask and say, look, government, obviously government abantu abaningi banokuthatha nje ukuthi no awunakekela abantu, and thina we know department yenu used to host ama session every Wednesdays back then. I don't know if you are still pushing la nikwazi ukuthi niba exposed to businesses and everything. Umuntu osekhaya nje manje uthi I am an entrepreneur, I run a business. How do I make sure ukuthi I am part of department yenu and kulama SMMEs out 25 that you have selected? How does a person ongekho la akwazi ukuthi abe part?
Okay. So I think, government's job is really to create an enabling environment.
Yes.
And I think the onus is also on people to engage with us on the different social media platforms.
Yeah.
We are very active on our social media platforms. And I think you have to follow us to know exactly what we are doing.
Yes.
But also, if you look at consumer affairs, I mean, we do outreach programs all the time. We are in the communities all the time. And when we go to these communities, every single department that is there. So inclusive economy is responsible for township economy.
Yes.
It's pesable, it's sama spaza shop nan. I come in from a private sector perspective,
Yes.
where I'm able to bring in big corporates to support some of these initiatives. But if you as an SMME, the onus is not on you to attend some of these events, to know exactly where we are and what we are doing.
Yeah.
Then obviously uzosalele emuva,
Yeah.
So I mean, laba basalele manje, I mean, vugani.
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 Join liyahamba le nqola.
Come meet, come engage with us.
Yeah.
Let's see how we assist you. Let's have a conversation.
Yeah.
Inside the hall, ma sitting area. So we'll be just doing our sessions, nama SMMEs that want to meet with us,
Yeah.
and see exactly how we can assist them.
Oh,
But
yes.
journey of an SMME doesn't just. It's a very long journey,
Yeah.
And some of these guys that are showcasing today have been with us through a mentorship program for the past 2 years.
Wow.
So we've walked the journey with them. So we can't take a new cohort. Singakayenzi ukuthi laba by 25 esibaphethe they are
Babeke
successful.
laphaya, yes.
Yabona? So I mean, what's the point of you are with me for 2 years,
Yeah.
but your business is still not making money?
Yeah.
I need to give you access to market. I need to make sure that your business is viable before I can take the new cohort. Yabona?
Yeah,
Nathi, we're not experts in this space. Nathi siyazama. We're trying to see what we can do. We are trying to connect the dots. I mean, if you look at some of the partners that we have today,
Yeah.
we've got the Shimba group.
Yes.
I'm sure you don't know Shimba.
Yeah.
But Shimba has got a database of 55,000 spaza shops that they deliver to each and every single day,
Wow.
nationwide.
Yes.
So my strategic partnership with Simba is to say, okay, if you're delivering to 55,000 spaza shops nationwide,
Yes.
there's an element that's missing of localization.
Yeah.
How do we start getting local products into your warehouses so you can deliver in Limpopo, in KZN, and so forth? So those are some of the discussions we are having to try and open up the value chain.
Yeah.
Long gone are those days whereby umuntu ufuna ukuthengisa a Pick n Pay or a ShopRite. The e-commerce space is growing.
Yeah.
We've got a strategic partnership. They take a lot. We're and manje kune graduate program that we are running for about 250 SMMEs. We'll give you the information.
Yes.
So these SMMEs register. It's a course that is driven by Gibbs. They train these SMMEs on how to trade on the e-commerce platform. After that, you get a certificate of acceptability. Then your product gets put on the Take A Lot platform, but Take A Lot also walks the journey with you. So those are some of the strategic partners that we are bringing on board to try and assist our SMMEs.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Before I talk about community media, and we really appreciate you guys. Silasi Temisa Online, there's Kasi FM here. Kuyakhomba ngempela ukuthi niyakholelwa with development. Mhlambe, what are some of the challenges that you have encountered with different SMMEs that you think ukuthi hey bafowethu ngicela please kulaba abanye abezayo or bafowethu nini esinani manje ngafixa this ngathi sizohamba kamnandi. Yeah. It is a lot. Yeah.
Every day, new challenges.
Yeah.
So I'll give you a practical example.
Yeah.
As we were planning for this day,
Yeah.
our target was 25 SMMEs
Yes.
to come showcase,
Yeah.
In the last 2 days,
Yeah.
remember we've also procured gazebos for these
For
SMMEs.
them, yeah.
Akusawethu wabo.
Yeah.
So after here, they leave gazebo wabo to conduct their businesses.
Yeah.
I mean, there's financial contribution, a lot of financial contribution that has happened, not only from government, but also from private sector.
Yeah.
And then we get calls on a Thursday saying, I can't make it.
Yo.
I've got another event
Yo.
that I have to attend. But why didn't you say?
Why don't you split? Why don't you split?
You get
Send
what I'm saying?
someone delegate.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why our SMMEs need to start thinking like what you're saying.
Yeah.
Split yourself in two.
Yeah.
At least if you take care of this, somebody else takes care of that.
Exactly.
Another one, some 2 years ago,
Yeah.
I won't mention this company, right?
Yeah.
So we managed to link an SMME to become a service provider to a multinational in the pharmaceutical space.
Yeah.
So they give this guy a contract, right? After giving the guy a contract, now he's supposed to service the client.
Yeah.
So every time
Give
the
me
client,
the product.
Yeah, every
Yeah.
time the client is calling the SMME is not responsive. They send emails, the SMME is not responsive. So now the client comes back to me and says, "But Bongani, you said we must give our township businesses a chance."
Yeah.
When we call the SMME, it's like, "No, phone ya ka ne sa bereke." But I'm like,
Like, aibereke
no,
jwang?
it doesn't work like that. But now this person uvala iminyango for another 120 people that could have delivered the same service
Yeah.
to this big multinational.
Eish.
There's just a plethora of challenges but also I think we need to start also professionalizing our SMME space.
Yes.
Ngangithola ukuthi
Yes.
uthini. So that's why we've got different incubation programs with different strategic partners.
Yeah.
Like for now, we've got an incubation program near Heineken. Basically, walk the journey with SMMEs for a period of about 2 years,
Yeah.
where they graduate, and then we come in from an access to market and access to opportunities for these SMMEs. So we are trying to do mentorship, and try and assist, but there's only so much that we can do. The onus
Exactly.
is on you as a business person in terms of how far are you willing to travel this journey.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Community media, tell me, we are here as Itembisa Online.
Yes, sir.
Not just here, we are procured. You are paying us. There's Gas FM here. How important it is for the department or any other business to just try and forge those partnerships with abantu abakhuluma nabantu?
You see, I think you guys are the voice
Yeah.
of the community.
Yeah.
And I think maybe in terms of trying to source some strategic partners. Because
Yes.
the message that you are bringing to the community,
Yes.
the followings that you guys have,
Yeah.
I don't think you're also doing enough.
Yeah.
By the way,
Yes,
you could
yes.
have bigger numbers.
More than,
the biggest
yeah.
populations are in the township.
Exactly.
But how are you seen out there?
Those
And I
people.
think for us it's very important to work with such institutions because you guys speak directly to the community.
Exactly.
Rather than, I won't mention other radio stations that are national. No.
Yeah.
For me is let's rather focus on institutions like yourselves that interact on a daily basis with
Yeah.
communities. You understand the plight. You understand some of the challenges, But also in trying to, but how, like for example,
Yeah.
Standard Bank, how are you guys building those relationships in terms of the following that you have, creating linkages?
Yeah.
They promote some of the products that they have on your
Yeah,
platforms.
exactly.
Because they are targeting township SMMEs. You
Yeah.
guys are the voice.
Exactly.
So it's about doing a strategic partnership mapping process, understand which brands speak directly to you guys, and then how do you then put together a strategy that will, because you guys have a lot to offer.
Yes,
You're not
yeah.
just coming and saying, we want a sponsorship.
Yeah.
You talk about the following. You
Yeah.
talk about the interaction that you have on the platform.
reach.
You guys are the reach.
Yeah.
You've got SMMEs on your platforms.
Yeah.
If Standard Bank wants to speak to SMMEs, how do they go about it? So
Exactly.
those are, if you look at all these different banks, they've got everybody's got something on SMME development.
Yeah.
But the question is, in terms of that pie, how are you guys strategically placing yourself in terms of ABSA? We want to build a relationship. This is what we have. These are the SMMEs that we're focusing on.
Yeah.
And also, don't be afraid to do such events.
Exactly.
You know, it's a Tembisa online for abantu base Tembisa.
Yeah.
You know, calling all SMMEs. You know, government comes and supports your initiative.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
private sector will come in and support because now they want business. Private sector is there to make money at the end of the day. As
Wow.
much as we are running ESD initiatives, but they want to make money.
Exactly.
You get what I'm saying?
Most definitely.
So you also need to strategically position yourself. Nibone ukuthi how you start engaging, you know. And and obviously in terms of our linkages in governments, understanding all the different programs that we have and making sure that you guys are present at those events. You know?
Yeah.
Like in July we're gonna be calling for our nominations, né?
Yeah.
So we've got the Hollywood Foundation Ama Bambelela Awards,
Yes.
where we are calling about 150 SMEs that are manufacturing anything, any type of business.
Yeah,
né?
yeah.
So it's a 3-day session. We'll come in the first day. We give you a brief on what the event is about. The second day, you will be pitching for your business to a
Yes.
panel of judges,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
And then the third day is a gala dinner. So the successful SMMEs will win money towards their business.
Yeah.
But we don't give you a check. So BMW.
Exactly,
So what
yeah.
we do is we say, in terms
What
of
do
your
you need?
businesses, what do you need?
Yeah.
We go and procure those services for you. So I think it would be nice to walk the journey with you guys.
Yes,
and
yes,
I
yes.
think after this, let's just have a conversation about Carol to see how we link you to all our programs. As I indicated, you guys are the voice of the
Yeah.
community, and
No.
you are representing the
The
community.
community. In closing, the partnerships, the business sector, in terms of the what you call the private sector, as you spoke about, tell me more about the Take a Lot. It looks like everybody wants to make sure that AMA products wabo they go out there. Is there any future for the SMMEs?
Yes, indeed. So we've signed a partnership in Take a Lot.
Yes.
You know? And I think what I need to do, I'm going to put Tabani on the spot. I don't know if you're Mamela or Rebugela.
Tembisa Online, most definitely,
So
yes.
he's the key person behind the Take a Lot program.
Yeah.
We've partnered with them. And he's working tirelessly in the township, identifying SMMEs, you know. And I think we need to get him on Tembisa online,
online,
so he
yeah.
can talk about what he's doing.
Exactly.
And it's not only those guys that are manufacturing, but also in terms of trying to create imisebenzi for youth that are unemployed.
Yeah.
Mr. D deliveries.
Yeah.
The last mile is growing market. You know?
Yes, most
So, but
definitely.
the thing is, we can't expect umuntu to drive scooter ayosebenza eSantina aphume eSembisa.
Yeah.
Because we are saying ukuthi business is eSantina. No. How are we creating our own ecosystem within the community?
Yeah.
So what is important and what we are doing now is we've got what we call merchants and we have what we've got the drivers.
Yes.
So you identify as many businesses as you can, from a restaurant to a spaza shop in the township, right?
Yes, yes.
That you put them on these platforms like your Uber and your Take a Lot.
Exactly.
So once you start element of deliver, now you need a cohort of driver to start delivering.
Exactly.
Can I tell you, Nem? Through the Uber partnership, in the last 3 years, we launched it. We were celebrating about 3 months ago.
Yes.
The SMMEs, in terms of the merchants and the drivers, in the last 3 years, were able to generate about 1 billion rand in revenue.
Wow.
In revenue.
Wow.
Through us purely just creating our own ecosystem.
Wow.
No,
No, we are happy with
it's
that.
just, there's a lot,
Yeah,
there's a lot, my brother. There's a
I'm
lot.
happy with that. And also, for the first time, we're speaking with a person or a director of government, but you speak more about partnerships. Tell us about your experience. Sesiyavala njengamanje.
Yes.
Usuka ubuya phi sikuza ukhuluma njengama CEO. Awukhulumi njengohulumeni. Asithi uhulumeni wrong. But i-element oyilethayo njengamanje, there's more business into it.
I grew up in the Department of Economic Development, by the way.
Yes.
I was groomed by the best. You
Yeah.
know, government has got leaders. You know,
Yeah,
Mina,
yeah.
literally from varsity,
Yeah.
I went into the Department of Economic Development.
Development,
Obviously, in different portfolios under different mentorship leaders.
Yeah.
You know, up until I became a director. You
Wow.
know, but ngivele Alexandra mina.
Yeah.
I'm from Alex. I've
Egomora.
got Tembisa.
Yeah.
I've got family in Tembisa.
Yeah.
In Chonalanga, Mkhatini. You know,
Yeah,
so
we
Tembisa
are.
is also my hometown.
Yeah.
Our aunt Bamba hlala lapha.
Yeah.
But mina our time ngikhuliswe government.
Yeah.
The private sector ngiyazi.
Wow.
I only know government.
We need more of you.
No, thank you so much.
Yeah, we need more of
Yeah,
you.
Baba.
You are a sharpener. you open the mind.
No, thank you
and
so
we
much.
really appreciate you, Mr. Nkosi.
But
and
also-
your departing words?
I want to link up Nani guys,
Yes,
and,
yes.
and some of these opportunities that we have, bring them on your platform.
Yes.
So you guys are also enabling the township economy. Thank you so much, sir.
Finish.
Really appreciate it.
Much appreciated. Thank you so much. Siyabonga kakhulu. Right, uyena ke u-director kuma specialized projects with Department of Economic Development, umhlonishwa ubaba ke uBongani Nkosi mawukuthi ke ngempela angiphazame. Hey, niyaphila kodwa? Ubani esinayi la ke ngibheke ngicabanga ukuthi nizwile conversation yethu. Very rich conversation. Ufuna ukubona ukuthi ke wobani abantu ke okuyibona ke esihlezi nabo la. Ngiyazi ukuthi joba ke si live kunabantu esinabo most definitely. Uzizlupo ngixolele ngibona manje message yakho but sizoyibuza how do you ensure that the youth is included? That was a very 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 important message. But sizoyibuza sizoyiphendula before ishow iphela zizlupo. Bese kuba uThomas Silipiane. Hey uyaphila bhuti. Omunye kwama top fan wethu. Siyabonga kakhulu. Njengamanje sizoletha ke one of the SMMEs basitshela ukuthi ke bona badayisani. Let's have oyedwa wabo and sikhulume nabo sizwe ukuthi ke ngabe kuhamba kanjani. Sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaZanibe isibongo. Ungeza ngapha mkhulu sikhulume nawe rikwe hey kimangu uring kuhamba kanjani nayo yonke leyo nto leyo. Siyakubingelela siyakwamukela sawubona la ukhona usekhanja manje. Nazo Nazo again. Thank you. Thank you. Puti, how are you doing? Uyaphila.
Ngiyaphila tata.
Ula.
Ndimqabaqaba egqabule viniki.
Awuzwe. Ngicela usivezele iproduct yakho le. There's a camera so that we talk sizu ukuthi ngabe ke kuhamba kanjani. Siyamthola. Okay. Wabulela uyakhuluma?
Ngiyathetha but
Oh uyathetha?
Yeah.
Siyathetha tata mana sithethe.
ewe
Molo.
Molo tata unjani?
Ndiyaphila ngicela ubingelele ababuki bethembisa online usichazele wena ungubani wakwabane uphumaphi udayisa ntoni.
Molo Thembisa online. Igama Xolani Nophothe wase Exshine Mall. Epheka zona ama degrees ama hand cream soap into standard our mechanics, engineering and also our workshops as well. Basazi nge-GTA degrees ngokuphuma siphuma e-West Rand kodwa si deliver everywhere.
Oh yeah. Tell us about your product. Uqale nini ne company yakho? What inspired you ukuthi ukwazi ukudayisa le product oyidayisayo?
So i-business iqale 2017.
Hey.
But in 2016, 2015, I was sourcing and supplying and still working in a bank. And so 2017, I resigned. I said,
Yeah.
I think this thing I can go permanent to go your mind. Then I resigned. And the first 6 months up until June, then I started to learn how to manufacture these things from
Yeah.
banking into learning how to make this thing because I already had a clientele.
Yeah.
So that's basically where you started. But then to run fully fledged and then ran in 2019.
Wow. Sikhathi kuzongena ama COVID nani. Yenzani le product yakho?
So the product lena i-cleaner i-engine, undercarriage, i-driveway, phansi, ama-workshop, kahle kahle lapho kune-grease khona,
Yeah.
kudingeka le product.
Niyazenzela from scratch.
Yes, siyazenzela from scratch. Yonke into esiyiphethe iphekwa khona la ekhaya.
Wow. Yini ke enenze naba nogqozi lento ekuvuse phansi ukuthi hayi angisalali sengiyavuka.
Inkani,
Ya uvuswe inkani.
inkani nokubona ispace esibona ukuthi siyadingeka ngoba ukunike kwale product lesiyenzayo iphethwe yilabantu abakhanyayo.
Yeah.
So ngibona ukuthi ingathi la ekhaya ayikho egcwele the way and ayikho iproduct abantu ekwazi usebenzela abantu the way because uhlezi bakhomplain wathi no mangiqeda usebenzisa lento le kumele ngenze lokhu.
Yeah.
So yona le ngabona leso space lesana ngasebenzisa inkani yasebenza.
Hayi wawuphusha ushunwe enkani. Okay. Kumuntu okubukayo njengamanje uyafisa ukuthi athi nami ngisafuna ukuqala. Yiziphi ingqinamba ohlangabezana nazo? Ama challenges that you facing. Ungamkhuthaza kanjani naye ukuthi abe nalenkano nayo?
So okokuqala thola into ongayenza.
Yes.
into obonayo ukuthi ingakwenzela ikusasa elingcono
Yeah.
mawathola lokho imotivation anything angeke sakusebenzela ke manje ngoba kwayona lento uyibonile lekona le uyibonile
Yeah.
uhlale kuyo ungezwe ngabantu ukuthi angeke ilungi ngoba niyazi ukuthi nizoyilungisa
Yeah.
so nje into ezoyitsho kakhulu nje thola nje into ongayenza and uqale
Ngiyakuthola.
mele ke vele ngoba vele sifunda ngokufeyila uzofeyila vele uzohlekwa vele uzoxekwa vele kodwa nje usukume sebenzisa inkani yakho usithintithe qhubeke into oyibonayo wena
Ngicela usidayisele le product manje isikhathi sakho lesi noma ungathatha 10 minutes ngiyakunika sicela le product usidayisele sizokwazi ukuthi sivuke siyithenga.
okay mphakathi siphethe i-GTA degrees lana mphakathi ethanda wama mechanic ethemba wama motor spares futhi nawo ungayithanda le product lena ikhipha igrease igrim irust and also all spillages instantly so isave namanzi sinenkinga yamanzi vele la eSouth Africa so isave namanzi and yona isebenza ngesikhathi uyayispray nje usule uyithola le product lena uyithola ku Take a Lot ku Macro Online ku Amazon our online page on our store. I mean, we've tried to be everywhere. Nasebotswane base bayakwazi noyithola. So yiyo ke le product. Abayazi bayibiza uphopho. Thina siyatsho ke.
Bayibizani?
Uphopho.
Uphopho.
Yeah,
Siyabonga, siyambonga uphopho.
Uphopho siyabonga tata.
Thank you. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you Mhlonishwa, siyabonga kakhulu baba.
Siyabonga tata.
The most definite. Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu kuyena ke umhlonishwa lo ke besinaye uphopho iproduct yakhe ekwazi ukuthi ke iclean sibone ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani. Let's also have another SMME ukuze siyazi ukuthi ngabe ke izinto ezihamba kanjani. Hey angikukhumbuze igama umfanele ophenya ibheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo. Yeah. Yeah, uyaphila futhi.
Ngiyaphila futhi.
Yeah, sike sakubona la enkundleni. Uyatrenda.
Hayibo. Nangtrendisa.
Yeah. Okay, ngaphambi ukuthi sikhulume nawe ubhuti igama umfanele ophenya ibheshu wakwaDzanibe Thembisa Online. We are here lolu hlelo asikutshele ukuthi ke silethulelwa uhulumeni wesifundazwe saseGauteng umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa kwezeminotho the Department of Economic Development kanti ke sithembisa online samsana neKasi FM iKasi FM mangaphazami it's 97.1 so mawukuthi ke ula ukhona ungalalela nakhona uzwe ba live kunomculo odlalayo ngiyazi badlala maskandi nje manje nezinye ke ingoma ze culture so kumnandi ngibonile uMaphumi usisiphumzile bayamazi kabaningi benokudlala lapha ku Family Bonds she's here uhamba noGugu bone uVusi kunomunye umsakazi engimbonile but sazobuza ukuthi yena ngabe ungubani bangoza kwethu ke kwezokusakaza sibonga kakhulu ke kuyona ke Department of Economic Development esifundazweni saseGauteng. My brother, can you please introduce yourself naba abantu ekhaya bayakubona bakubhekile bafuna ukwazi ukuthi bakubonile manje sebekubona live?
Yeah. Endandi Machironi.
Yeah.
My name is Umakatu Chibura and I am building Africa's #1 candle brand. It's called The Light Candles. We are based in Soweto, so we manufacture amakhandlela of all sizes, shapes and colors.
Yeah.
We specialize kulawa wama household lawo tholakala kuma Shoprite,
Okay.
Pick n Pay. And so we're currently in about 15 stores and we make up to 30 different colors.
Wow.
Yeah, yes.
Wow,
Nda, careful.
ngiyaqala ukuhlangana nomuntu okuthiwa wenza ikhandlela nginokulikhanyisa amanye sikhanyisela into eziningi
Yeah.
sicela ngawo amanye siyawakhanyisa for light
Yes.
amanye siguqa phansi ngawo but for the first time I meet a person othi mina I am doing ikhandlela
Yes.
so umlando uyaqopheka nami uwe wenza lamakhandlela
Niwayenza from scratch.
wow likhanye lize liphele
Yeah, and lawa ke awethu alasta 12 hours,
Yeah.
which is 4 hours longer than amanye competitors because amanye competitors abo alasta between 8 and 9 hours.
Yeah.
So thina sine special ingredients sibiza KFC recipe.
Yeah.
Yabo ukuthi alasta 12 hours.
Okay, tell me about your company. Qale
Yeah.
nini, qale ubani,
Yeah.
and what was the inspiration
Yeah.
kuzoqala le company?
So mina le company ngiqale because it's linked to ipurpose yami. Mina
Yeah.
ipurpose yami I'm a psychology graduate by profession.
wow,
So
yeah.
my purpose has always been to provide healing and to restore hope, yabo.
Yes.
So manje because of the unemployment, you know kule simo sikuzo ukuthi we have doctors who are unemployed, we have nurses who are unemployed. So same thing with me, my psychologist was unemployed.
Yeah.
And then I had to think ukuthi how else can I live out my purpose besides ukuhlala officeini ngikhulume nomuntu kumnceda
Yeah.
ngama problems akhe. And that's where I learned about amakhandlela, because there's such things called aromatherapy. So ngaqala ukuyenza ama research kuleyo nto, and then I realized ukuthi amakhandlela ayasebenziswa for ukuthandaza, for ukuphahla, yabo. So it's something deeper and spiritual. And umuntu makathandaza makaphahla ube afuna, they're praying for a better future, so they're being hopeful,
Yeah.
or they are praying for healing, yabo, which is what I'm called to do. So it just made sense. So nga 2021 ngaiqala company, and then I invested kuma moldy, and from there on I started off as a one-man show. Manje says employer 6 youth, and we are growing by the day.
Yeah, I would like to come and see the manufacturing
Yes.
one day. Maybe come with the camera sibone, because
Yeah.
really this is into enhle kakhulu, especially
Yes.
for abantu abasha.
Yeah.
What can you say to umuntu omusha who is looking at starting something?
I would say start small but think big.
Yeah.
Yonke into iqala incane mfethu. In a shop, right, it start off with one shop.
Yeah.
Yabo, everything starts small, but the trick is to always think big. And
Yeah.
nama funding azokuthola phambili, ama customers azokuthola phambili. There's nothing new under the sun, yabo.
Yeah.
And the market is huge. There is no market oversaturated.
Yeah.
So now mafuna uqala amakhandlela ungeza kimi ngizokufundisa ukuyenza amakhandlela. Yes, yabo.
Mhlambe ngiyowaqala le Mzimkhulu.
Yes, the market
Dayisela
is
abantu
huge.
basemzimkhulu
mfethu. The market is
amakhandlela.
huge.
Yeah. Wow. So i-engagement yakho nama customers, how is it looking like?
Oh, it's great. In fact,
Yeah.
I think for me, I am super blessed and privileged. I always say I have the best customers in the world,
Yeah.
because the spiritual people. So mabathi uNkulunkulu akubusise, it comes from a very spiritual place, yabo.
Wow, yeah.
And I've built a community. It's a community. They're no longer customers. We're a family. We're a community, which is why I'm kuma socials, kuma Instagram, kuma Facebook. There's
Yeah.
always engagement. There's following, and our customers are all over the country. We even ship to Botswana, Lesotho,
Wow.
Swaziland, because of the support and the community that I've built over the years.
The Department of Economic Development in Gauteng, tell us about them. You are part of this initiative. It's a
Yes.
market day. What is your experience? And ungathini kumuntu osazoqala?
Man, the experience has been great. If you would like to be part of, if you're a small business and would like to be part of the Gauteng development ecosystem, I would highly recommend ukuthi umuntu aze la azokhuluma nabo, bamfake kulama list wabo.
Yeah.
And the support has been amazing. We didn't have to pay even R1 for the store.
Yeah.
We have a table, we've got chairs, we've got access to all these customers, all for free. They even give us a speed point. So
Wow.
it's been amazing. If anyone wants to be a part of it, magaze lana azo inquire about more information.
Of what's happening.
Yeah.
Please sell your product.
Yes.
I can give you even 10 minutes. I have so much time.
Yeah.
Sponsored by the Department of Economic
Yeah.
Development. Take your time.
Yeah.
Talk to your people.
Yeah.
Sell your product.
Shout out to them, man. So this is the Light Candles. We are based in Soweto, Epimville Zone 3. We're in the heart of Soweto, just outside Maponya Mall, and we're the only candle company that makes up to 30 different colors. The reason you ask yourself why we make 30 different colors is because we understand that each color represents something to our customers. So, for example, if ngesintu, yellow is used to connect with your maternal ancestors, blue is used to connect to your paternal ancestors. So we've got a wide range of colors, and we're the only company that does this. And our candles also last 33% longer, which is about 4 hours longer than the leading competitor. And you can try it out for yourself. If it doesn't last for 12 hours, you get your money guaranteed. I've actually had some customers telling me they last for 14 hours.
Yeah,
Cabanga.
yeah,
I didn't even know that.
Wow,
Yabo.
yeah.
So it just goes to show how much passion and how much love we put into this product. And the main purpose is to provide healing and to restore hope. Yabo. And we'd love the support. You can find us on Instagram at Light Candles ZA, on Facebook, The Light Candles, TikTok, The Light Candles, or you can just simply Google The Light Candles. Our website will come up, our address will come up, and we deliver nationwide from as little as 60 Rand. And thank you for your support.
Wow.
Let there be light.
Shout out. Wow. My brother, congratulations for starting such
Thank you,
a business, and all the best.
Thank you, appreciate it, man.
Ngiyazi ukhuluma isiVenda niphuma apha ekhaya?
Ekhaya mina kuseSoweto kodwa eVenda
Yeah.
kuseVuwani.
Ovuwala.
Yes.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Yes.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you, man. I
Much
appreciate it, man. Stay
Sharp,
blessed.
sharp. All right. Yeah, there we have it. Thembisa Online. Igama umfanele uphenye ibheshu wakadzanibe ngiphethe ke uKevin lapha kwi NR Studios ngiphethe ubanelo Brazo Sondlo ukuyena executive producer wethu ophinde ke sinika ama graphics and also aphinde ke operate the VTR audio and nayo yonke into babhlatshwa ukhona here sinaye futhi usihle ngwini ibona bafowethu esihamba nabo. Remember the Department of Economic Development ibona abasilethele ke lolu hlelo njengalokho ke sila hamba kanjani lapha ya abantu bengikhuluma nabantu abase hangout. Thank you so much kunethembisa social run ekhona by hangout hamsana ne drip sportive. Siyababongela ke abantu ka abaningi ngiyathemba ukuthi yonke into ila iphashasha ihamba kahle. Let's have another SMME sikwazi ukubona ukuthi ke ngabe kwenzakalani. Sakaza Bukhoma sise 512 lapha ke endaweni ke yase Spruit View kanti ke silethwe Department of Economic Development. My brother, please come. Please come. Ake lisitholele noma bosisi kodwa ke will come back and see ukuthi ke what is happening. Yeah man ziyenzeka izinto engathi ngizothenga la. Hamba.
My brother.
Awesome ice cream. Wow. Awesome.
Awesome ice cream,
awesome.
yeah. And
Okay.
everything inside you can eat from the plant, the chocolate ground, and the ice cream inside.
Can we see it? Can you
Yeah.
show it there? Can we see it? Siyayibona?
Everything inside you can eat from the plant, the chocolate ground,
Yeah.
and the ice cream inside to the bottom. It's first
Okay.
of its kind, the plant pot ice cream. Only available in South Africa.
Okay. Thi ngibona bafethu ngiyabona khona abazama ke uku-adjusta. Let me make sure ukuthi yonke into ke ihamba kahle. Okay, simnandi. My brother and uBhuti, what is your name? Please introduce yourself to people.
My name is Kamohelo Modise of Awesome Ice Cream Pot.
Ntate Modise, labua labulela.
Kabulela.
Wabulela, ubulela spedi. Imupedi twi. Okay, please tell us about initiative yakho. When did you start a business lakho? And so far, how is it going?
Yeah, so the business, the initial concept started in 2012.
Oh yeah.
And then for quite a while, I was struggling to get it into retail because the concept was supposed to be a plant pot, and because in our holes underneath,
Okay.
the struggle was getting the ice cream inside here
Oh yeah.
without it leaking. So
Oh, yeah.
what happens, that's the reason it took so long. So in 2020, we started, and then started rolling out officially in 2023. And so far it's going so well. Our plan is to get into retail. So specifically I'm sure you are noticing now among a spa or a engine fuel station uyongena ngaphakathi
Yeah.
kune fridge Magnum.
Yeah.
Uye spa kune fridge Magnum. Uye checkers fridge Magnum. Nami I want Awesome ice cream pot freezer next to the Magnum freezer
Exactly.
everywhere you're going to shop in South Africa.
And make sure you compete.
100%.
You,
yeah.
you must be darling to abomama pikinini. How is your experience with them? Elokishini mabekubona.
So it's good, you know.
Yeah.
They always associate you with ice cream.
Yeah.
So and the idea came from, for example, when you're talking about Abo Pikinin.
Yeah.
So my nephew, his nickname is Pikachu, ne?
Yeah.
So bekathanda ukudla inhlabathi babuhlala bamthola ngaphandle lokudla inhlabathi.
Yeah.
So mawaqeda bamtshela ukuthi okay umalume ngeke asakuzela ne-ice cream malokudla inhlabathi.
Yeah.
So one day ngathi before ngiya ngathi esiyazini ithi ngiyenzela ice cream ibuke ngathi nenhlabathi la phezulu.
Yeah, cause ile nto ayithanda.
Ilento ayithandayo.
Yeah.
So ngahamba ngayo abanye bayakhala ukuthi why malume nami ungangizelanga nale ice cream enenhlabathi.
Yeah.
So kwaba ne-interest from lapho ngathi ngilele esinye isikhathi ebusuku ngiphelelwa buthongo ngathi hayi man
Let me.
le business ingasebenza ingaba i-idea grand from
Yeah.
there yazala from lapho.
Wow. My brother, congratulations.
Eh.
Kumuntu obukayo njengamanje othi hey, what are the challenges abekhona? Can I make it? I'm not working or mhlambe ngumuntu osebenzayo but I'm not a person wokuthi ngizokhuluma nomlungu ngiyasebenza. Ngifuna ukuqala something yami. What is your advice?
So, Mina, when I initially started rolling this officially, ne,
Yeah.
I had to resign from a 17-year in the motor industry. Ne.
Wow.
I had to resign, leave my work, and focus 100% on this business. And I can talk a lot about the positive stuff,
Yeah.
but a lot about business is the negative stuff. Is getting through, being resilient, being consistent, and uzohlangana nawo ama-mountain, not ama-speed hump, ama-mountain, as you see.
yeah.
You're gonna uzohlangana nawo ama-mountain. You have to be prepared to climb those mountains and get to the other side. You're going to reward yourself. After you climb that big mountain, you get to the other side, there's a reward, and there's another mountain to climb up until you reach the success that you need to get to.
Please sell this ice cream.
Uh-huh.
Bayabuka abazali, sithola kuphi, how do we connect, senza njani, yonke le information.
I-Awesome Ice Cream itholakala in Pretoria naseJoburg at the moment. So kwamanje we are still planning to roll it out in every Checkers or even Spa and Engine as well as Sasol. So sisebhizi ngalokho. So you soon gonna find it maso tele petrol lapha uzokwazi ukuma ungena ngaphakathi esitolo Engine or Sasol ungena ucele uye ku freezer uzothola le ice cream, or even a Checkers nase Spa uzocala ukuthola khona, but currently ikhona ema market onke, all the big markets in Joburg as well as in Pretoria. And masofika nje market ubuze nje kuphela ukuthi banayo yini Awesome Ice Cream Pot. And if you want to see our locations, you can just go on Google Awesome Ice Cream Pot. Izokhomba onke ama location la sikhona khona.
Wow, thank you so much.
Siyabonga
Much
bro.
appreciated. Siyabonga kakhulu my brother. All the best. Awuzweke? Awu, ziyenzeka kumnandi. Yeah, it's a market day for the SMMEs, a business day ukusho mawuthanda. Broadcasting live from Spruit View. Mawuthanda ungathi kuseFoslo into eyodwa yabona Spruit View. Igama lami ngingumfanele uPhenyi Bheshu, ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo. Before siya ukuthi ngicela uze na something and come usibonise ukuthi usiphatheleni and usitshele ngebusiness lakho utholakala kuphi so that we move. Please come naloko siphathele kona, and we appreciate so much. Ziyenzeka ke izinto kumnandi ke ngendlela ke eyisimanga ke sibone ukuthi ke ngaba kuhamba kanjani. Yes, we are moving. Please, yeah. Please, let's see ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Sibone ke izinto kumnandi ke mangabe kunje. Ngicela ukubona. All right, there we are. Thank you. Siyabonga kakhulu. Socela usintroduce usitshele ukuthi ubani wakwabani.
Igama lami ngoHumuntu kaNkosi. Yes, from Efosloras.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are the service provider. We are here with you, and we decided to say, look, man, let's support abantu basendaweni. Tell us about the business lakho and our plans going forward.
So we are a food business, Bupilo Cuisine. We started to sell ukudla last year, October.
Yeah.
And we are growing very well. We started from a back room.
Oh, yeah?
Now we're having our own kitchen,
Yeah.
of which is a good improvement. So we're planning to have a food joint. We're planning to have a big restaurant one day.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's our plan.
Wow. Njengoba usufikile la bakhona abasomabhizinisi, what has been your observation? Ngiyazi ukuthi you are not part of the 25, but your observation yakho.
My observation so far is when is it number one?
Yeah.
I've bought something already.
Wow.
Yes, and I'm really proud of small businesses ukwabona bayimisela kangaka and ngiyakhuthazeka nami.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. Abantu mabekudinga bangakuthola kanjani, and what kind of food are you doing? Are you cooking?
So today we're having Ite Good.
Okay.
So this one has bacon, wings and chips. So we are available on TikTok
Okay.
for now.
Yeah.
Then I'm planning to do website and Facebook page as well.
Congratulations, and thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for the nice food ever.
Thank you so
Siyabonga.
much.
Thank you so much. Bupilo Cuisine njengoba ke uzwa abanye ke osomabhizinisi ke abakhona la. Hey, ake ngithola amanzi. Mangathola amanzi nje ngithi ukuthi bese ngibheka ukuthi ke wobani esihlezi nabo ngicele ke koza kwethu ukuthi ke ngempela ngabe ke izinto zihamba kanjani. Ngicela ungiphamisele isandla ungitshela ukuthi wena ubani unguwakwa bani. Hello. Yabona yonke into la. It's local, it's lekker. Yonke into la is local, it's lekker. We are, yes please. No, let's move. Yes please. ake sibone abantu esihlezi nabo ke sanibonani ubani omunye la uqeda ukungena let me see Cookie Scap how's it mawukuthi ke une business oluranayo you are at home now just for the first time just sell your business tell us what you're doing ungubani wawabani and what kind of a business you are selling. This show is proudly sponsored by the Department of Economic Development esifundazweni sase-Gauteng. Ngifuna ke mhlambe ukuthi silungise okuncane la ake sizwe nje the music background la sikhona sike sithi ukuthi Right, asiphinde sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Peshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. This show is proudly sponsored and brought to you by the Department of Economic Development esifundazweni sase-Gauteng and siyabonga kakhulu njengalokho sikulethela uhlelo la sithi ke SMMEs Market Day kusho ukuthi yonke into emayelana nebusiness. Now if you are at home tell us what you are selling udayisani and singakuthola kanjani. For the first time asikaze siyenze lento la ithembisa online. So you see isponsor esiright ke sika government. So siyayibhadalisa abantu mabedayisa ama business abo. Just share ama details usichazele noma ke usitshele ukuthi ke wena udayisani nanokuthi ke uyidayisa kuphi kanjani. Sister Thobela. Dumelang. Hi ngitengile kai. Ke kopa u introduce usitshele ukuthi ke wena mangwa hamang and what do you do?
Okay, my name is Sidibeng Sefadi.
Hey.
I am the founder of Go Sidibeng Designs. So I'm originally from the Val.
Yeah.
Which coincidence in Tebiswa Sidibeng.
Oh yeah. Okay. Ngicela ungiphakamisele and let's see or just give it to me.
Yes.
Let me show them.
So what we do handcrafted jewelry. So from your earrings to your bracelets, similar to Sekidi Genseng, to your bracelet study gemstones, so your evil eyes, all the chakra hands as well. We also do beadwork, such as the beaded card holders, beaded bags. So we also do custom orders as well. So the whole concept on our side is that handcrafted jewelry, you don't want something that is flooded in the bucket.
Yeah.
When you want to look unique, you want to stand out. But your jewelry to overpower you. So that's what we focus on. Or something that is user-friendly, can be used on a day-to-day. So not only on weddings and momikit and all, but you can go to work with something that is handcrafted, proudly South African and unique, but on a day-to-day basis.
I like your earrings.
Thank you.
They are so unique.
Yes.
Tell me about the inspiration behind those earrings.
Okay, so the earrings I have now, these are when I actually started my business, which initially started 2022.
Yes.
When I was just learning and just trying out things.
Yeah.
Spellete was one of the first things I experimented with. So this is how it came about. Because I wanted something that is unique, that is also not too much, but in a that unique flair to it. So as you can see, the different colors, if you can go to our store, and also have a touch of Africa.
Wow.
Something unique, something authentic, and something that stands out. Yes.
Tell me about your business. When did you start having land exercise with man? No, man, let me wake up. Because it's all about waking up. It's all about deciding to start. And you started, here you are. You are part of the
Yes.
25 SMMEs supported by Department of Economic Development.
Yes. So initially my business started 2022. But the reason I started is that, sometimes, especially as a girl, masale alahlea, they break and all, then they are left kadiwanwan.
Yeah.
And you don't throw them away. I don't know why we don't throw them away. We keep them for no reason.
Yes.
So I just started working on the ones that were broken. What can I make from it? Then Gabandor, I actually can do this because everything I'm self-taught from Yona 2022.
Yes, yes.
And then I was like, let me just try this. Then when how can something, people are like, this looks nice. Like, yeah, I'm like, okay, this can be something. And Hapep on my side, it was something that was also distressing for me. Try something, figure it out. So that but feel unique.
Yeah.
So it became something that was a hobby. Then actually now it's become a passion
business, yeah.
and something that I would like, especially in this type of setups. Then I'm like, I'm definitely going the right direction.
Okay, tell me about the purple color. I see there's a lot of purple there, and it looks like it's one of those colors that you don't go without.
Actually, it is.
Yeah.
So okay, on my brand, purple is my color brand.
Okay.
So as you see, I'm standing like that. This is the brand.
Oh,
when you
yeah.
see me at a market or any event, when you see me, you see purple. So it's also that association, so that's something that I can identify with.
Yeah.
Because you will not forget the color, nor will you forget the company name and the color scheme.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
And there you are. Please, that camera, sell your business as if it's for the first time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey guys, like I was saying, we provide handcrafted jewelry. We know people who wear jewelry. You don't want something that is standard or something that is basic. So please come through, check us out on our socials, because we always at exhibitions at markets, and we also try to bring something that is new every time you see us, so that we are able to stand out. We are also making use of different types of beads. So as I have here, as you can see, there's wooden beads, there's also glass beads as well, and acrylic beads. So please come through and find us on the socials, and also we are going to be moving into online so that we are more accessible as well. So we're looking at to get our jewelry on platforms such as your Takealot and your Amazon. Please look out for us.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
you
Nice
for
one.
the opportunity
Very
as
nice.
well.
Thank you so much, madam. All right, siyabonga kakhulu sisi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sibonga kakhulu ke kusisi ukuyena ke besikhulumisana naye. Uyabona uphethe izinto, uyawubona ke nombala uphethe ophephula ukuthi umbala izinto ze design, izinto ezinhle. I see a lot of people la bafikayo amajita akwi media ayaphusha and they are making sure ukuthi lo msebenzi uyakwazi ukuthi ke uvele. Mhlambe masingathatha ingoma sibone ukuthi ke ngabe ke kuhamba kanjani. Scott Maphuma noma Shimza, any of the songs bese ke siyakwazi ukuthi ke sithathe ibreeder, sithathe ikhefu bese ke siyabuya uma sibuya sikwazi ukuthi ke siqhubeke sibheke. Sawubona igama umfanele uPhenyi Bheshwa kaDzanibe. Kevin uyena enginayo Sihle Ngwini, ubanele Brazo Sondlo, umnumzane uJay wawahlatshwayo sinabo la. Sibonga kakhulu nakuye ke usisi uJane Khumutso Nkosi okuyena kusibhekile ngezinto lezi ke ezi-right ezikhala kahle. The Department of Economic Development in Gauteng iwona ke umnyango ozokuthuthukiswa kwezeminotho osupporta noma uxhase lo msebenzi. Sisakaza bukhoma la endaweni yase Mike Sol 512 siluma no i-drive khona lapha endaweni yase Spruit View. Ake sithathe ingoma.
Hey, hey. Ay, po. Samba wena. Samba wena man. Hey, 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 hey. Ay, po. Asa wave baba. Kili wave lente. Popo poli. Na. Hey wena man. Hey. Ay. Sa wave. Kili wave lente. Hi, I'm a wavelength, Baba. Hi. We are wavelengthing, Baba. Hi. So wave. 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 So wave, man. Yeah, so wave. So wave. So wave. So wave. So wave. So wave. So wave, 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 man.
Angizasibuya kule weekend. Hey, esibethi bhodlela. Same time siyabangena. Ilama Tuesday wokugeza. Hey, kule weekend. Hey, esibethi bhodlela. Yengithi same time siyabangena. Ilama Tuesday wokugeza.
Besuyangena agijima hambo yokeza ekokota 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 ayi besuyangena agijima hambo yokeza ekokota besuyangena agijima hambo yokeza ekokota ayi besuyangena agijima hambo yokeza mama nice sebazobomba iba makushi sebayabona uya force to malaposta iphuthumile khala bonomsa borra kakhulu khala bo droppa uzungezi sizokuthomba uyangistana azokubopha uzokhala uzokudonsa iba ma Nike sebazobomba iba makushi sebayabona uya force to malaposta akithi phuthumile khala bonomsa borra kakhulu khala bo droppa uzungezi sizokuthomba uyangistana azokubopha uzokhala uzokudonsa manje ngeke sizwe ngabovulela thina fuck
Ngeke sizwe ngani nini. Hawu sweke.